Alright, so we the Parrot Head bartenders are choosing Devil's Backbone.
Alright, the radio personalities, we are going to go with
Kickapoo IPA.
No!
Devil's Backbone.
Yes. We don't even carry Kickapoo IPA. Yes, as a Parrot's Head bartender community, we are choosing Bud Light.
As the radio community, we are in agreement with the Parrot's Head community, and we are going to go with Bud Light.
Bud Light. Ace Pumpkin Cider.
Ace Pumpkin Cider all around.
Absolutely. Yep. Ace Pumpkin Cider.
All right.
Absolutely.
All right. So radio people, we have selected this one right here.
The Rawr Texas Reds.
We, the Parrot's Head people, select Rawr.
Rawr, thank you.
Yeah. For the win, bro.
For the win.
Ready? We, the Parrot's Head community, choose Shock Top.
For the win.
For the win.
We, the radio community, concede to their victory for the win because we also
we got this right.
We got this one right.
Shot top. Now that makes us all even or what? Winners of the contest goes to Parrot's Head Tavern. Congratulations! Congratulations! You've done good. These are the pros after all, ladies.
we're just the amateurs. We only lost by one. We should be
That's right.
And Parrot Head has been so gracious in fixing us up with this taste test, and we just had so much fun with it.
Yeah, and Brandon, thanks for being a super bartender for
Brandon
the
was
competition.
great.
Absolutely, I love him, man, bringing us those beers.
Hey, we want to thank Dree for having us out to the Parrot's Head Tavern. Did y'all have a good time?
Oh man, great beer, and the taste test, we enjoyed it very much. How about you, Chris?
Drinking beer, how could you not have a good time?
Thank you so
Dree,
much, Dree.
thank
You're
you
welcome.
very,
We
very
enjoyed
much.
having you guys, and we will enjoy having all of you out at America on Tap Saturday, October 3rd at the fairgrounds. See you then.
You bet.